Sup, legends. All right, sweet. So today's outlook, I have basically next to nothing, next to zero outlook for today. Look, I don't mind sells on AU where it is, but obviously we're extremely bullish. We're at the top of a new external leg, so it's good liquidity that we've swept. But we're so bullish, and we've got next to no structure. We are inside of obviously this area here. Don't know why I grabbed the highlighter. This area here, which is a bigger demand to supply area. So look, we've induced into it. This point more than likely would be a smart money trap. So we can work with the manipulation that can come out of that joint, out of that POI, and just go from there with it. Yeah, given the amount of liquidity we've taken, we're due for a sell-off, and in general, we are due for a sell-off. Got a little bit of liquidity built up here that we can target. Issue is obviously we've got next to no structure inside of here for us to be able to work with. I'm happy to use the current demand that price has got right near where it is as a smart money trap and sell through it. Following off the back of Asia high, break low, Asia high sellers brought in here, swept. I'm happy to work with it. It's very small, but I'm happy to work with it as a medium inducement and see what sets up inside of here. If we keep just pushing our way up, I'm not too keen as we're just going to be so bullish and just have even less structure to work with. So we'll see what that wants to do. But AU is kind of the only thing I'm really interested in. Unfortunately, last night I did miss this buy on EU. Unfortunately, I had a bit of a tech problem in my alert. Didn't go off that low and I didn't check. So that's really annoying as that's probably going to be the trade of the week, I reckon, to be honest. I know it's only Wednesday, but yeah, given the current conditions, that's probably going to be the trade on the week, and GU had the same setup. But EU has come down, mitigated the demand area that we wanted to buy from yesterday and pushed its way up. So it is following that internal structure cycle really nicely. The momentum coming out of the demand is very strong. This point here, of course, shouldn't hold, should be a smart money trap. I'd like to buy through it, but we're going to need to come down and we don't really have anything of like any significance at all to induce. And if we push through it, which to be honest, it looks like it's probably just going to do straight away. I'm not going to sell off the take of it. It's yeah, be selling against the momentum and against the structure cycle. I don't want to sell the start of a new complex pullback when it hasn't even shown signs of that yet. So yeah, I'd like to buy it, but honestly, I would need it to kind of come down to like down a year. Really, like I'd need to work with that internal break and retest. Um, yeah, that's it. We got no structure, so you know, what are you gonna do? Nothing we can do about it. Sweet. G's in the same boat. It's gonna be nice and quick here. Cool. GU. Yeah, look, obviously reacting out of this point, which you know is probably going to be a smart money trap. I'm surprised we didn't push through up there, to be honest, but obviously we've melted now, broken that low, really good inducement, came down, induced this point here, which did lead to the buy inside of there, which Brad and a couple of the other guys took. Anoj took that past his 200K phase one, so well done, bro. Massive congratulations. That's sick. Yeah, but obviously after that we are pushed down, took out that low, and we've just rocketed back up since. So our internal range on the 15 is huge. It's here. Um, shitty supply area. It is a demand to supply, but it hasn't really taken any liquidity. We've generated no liquidity on the way back up to it, and you can see price is just going to absolutely demolish that point just now. Yeah, we got nothing to work with here. Got nothing to work with at all. Yeah, these are both just going to push through. We're going to be left in the middle of nowhere here. So today's going to be a no trading day. Let me have a quick look at what AU's doing. I don't even feel like I need to check news. AU's still chilling, so we'll see what AU wants to do. But the other two, yeah, I just got nothing. I got nothing for us to be able to work with. You got no structure. You know. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? I don't want to sell through a shitty point like that. We'll sell out of it, anticipating the reaction, not when we're pushing up like that. So just gonna leave it as is. Just chill today, I think. look at AU and that'll be about it. Red folder tonight, bunch of orange folder, nothing crazy. Nothing crazy. Let's see what Forex Factory is saying. Forex Factory standard doesn't even have the orange folder. I've got the red folder and that's about it. Um, yeah, no NFP this week. It's weird. NFP must be next week. No NFP. That's weird. It's probably got something to do with the US's situation at the moment. Yeah, cool. Cool, cool, cool. Sweet. All right, yeah, cool. We'll wrap it up there. Sells an AU if it sets up. Otherwise, no trading day. Cool. Wicked guys. Again, congratulations, Anoj. That's huge, bro. Happy for you.